Hey y'all, Chad again. I was actually able to go on here and get some weather camera footage of the area. So check it out with me. Okay, here's the area target for the hurricane. And this is the video camera we're going on. Okay, we got just the camera down here. And this is it right there. Okay. Let's watch how they bug out. Oh my gosh, they shut everything down. Ooh, it's starting to rain now. Wow. Okay, they just shut everything down. They must have some major control on their population, or else they know what was coming. One of the two. Okay, let's check something else out. Let's check this other one. This one right here, okay? Let's check it out. Boom. Okay, let's go full screen. And this is 24 hours. Okay, let's check this out. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like it's just kind of hitting them. That's like, the further that goes over, that's like right now. Not right now, but like 30 minutes ago or something. And it's not a good picture either. I don't like that one. Let's see. Let's see if we can zoom in and get any more. Oh, here's one. 10 minutes ago. Let's see. Okay, an island. Whoa. Whoa. What the frack did I just see, guys? What did we just see? Watch the suns, y'all. What the frack is that? Okay, wow. Sorry, guys. Frack. Okay, that's a light on the top of a mountain. But boy, I thought it was the sun glaring through there. Yeah, it's just a mountain. I was wrong.